We are now arriving in Monza. It is the third largest city in the Lombardy region in Italy. Monza is very near to Milan, about 15 kilometers north of Milan. A tradition told by Saint Ambrose at the end of the 4th century says, a holy relic of one of the nails from the crucifixion of Jesus is here in the Cathedral of Monza. It was said that the nail from the crucifixion was found by Saint Helen in 326 AD in Palestine and then put into the inner ring of the crown of her son, Constantine the Emperor. This crown is called the Iron Crown. It is one of the most important goldsmithery masterpieces in the whole of Western history. It has been miraculously conserved until now and kept in Queen Theodolinda's chapel inside the Monza Cathedral.
It 850 years later. So this one is about the time in which the chapel was painted. This one has inside the history scene by scene that you will see on the walls of the chapel.
This beautiful cathedral was founded in the 6th century by Queen Theodolinda, a Bavarian princess married in turn to two Lombard kings. The cathedral was built between the 14th and 17th centuries. It is dedicated to Saint John the Baptist. This cathedral was closely connected to the Visconti family, and they offered the building as the venue for imperial coronations in the 14th century. Here is Queen Theodolinda's chapel, where she is buried and where they keep the Iron Crown. It is unfortunate that it is not allowed to film inside, and I won't be able to show you the magnificence of this chapel and the Iron Crown. The Iron Crown is being preserved and kept inside that golden tabernacle. It is locked by 4 different keys. You can only see the Iron Crown up close if you join the paid and guided tour. The crown is composed of 6 golden plates. These plates are hinged together and adorned with precious gems and enamel work. An iron circlet or ring inside to support the gold plates is believed to be the nail from the crucifixion of Jesus. The tradition that connects the crown to the Passion of Christ and to the first Christian emperor explains the symbolic value that the kings of Italy bestowed upon it.